In this video, we're going to talk about what you actually need in your diaper bag. Hey, it's Morgan with Passable Parent, where we help you improve developmental outcomes for your child and find the joy in parenting. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past 10 years, specializing in early childhood development. I'm also a new mom. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And check out all my other videos on pregnancy, postpartum, and all things early childhood development. First off, you're gonna need a diaper bag. This is actually my personal diaper bag. I just went with the UpAbaby diaper bag because that was the stroller system that I chose. I chose the backpack. I knew for me this was going to be easier. I don't really like tote bags. I think this is a really great option, any type of backpack to use for your diaper bag because it leaves your hands free, and other caregivers are more than happy to carry it around to help if you have people with you. I really like the diaper bag. I like that it has the nice 2 straps. I like that there's different compartments in this diaper bag, and there's a ton of different options out there for diaper bag backpacks. I will make sure to link them in the description box below. So check them out. If you have any recommendations for other diaper bag backpacks that you really love, make sure to comment them below because I'd like to check them out. It could be helpful for other parents, moms, caregivers that are watching. So yeah, first off, you need a diaper bag, whether you choose a diaper bag backpack like this one or a tote bag, whatever you prefer. So first thing, diaper bag. Definitely need to have diapers in your diaper bag. One thing I've learned is you actually want to have 1 diaper per hour you're away from the home, also an extra. So for me, that's always worked, and I've never run out of diapers following that rule of thumb. So you definitely need diapers, and if you can follow that rule, 1 diaper per hour away from the home, you'll definitely be in a good spot, and then 1 extra diaper. What you need in your diaper bag is baby wipes. 2 of my favorites are Pampers Sensitive Baby Wipes, and I also really like water wipes. They're both great. They're really good for sensitive skin. Baby skin is really sensitive, especially in the beginning, and I like that they don't have any fragrances in them and no alcohols. So those are things that you want to make sure that your wipes don't contain. Diaper rash cream. My absolute favorite brand of diaper rash cream, and I've tried quite a few, is Desitin. One of the #1 recommended by nurses and doctors is Desitin brand, and I actually really like Desitin Maximum Strength. It's the one in the purple packaging. That's my absolute favorite diaper rash cream, and you want to be applying that to your baby about every time you change their diaper. Their skin is so sensitive, and you definitely don't want to have to deal with a diaper rash. If you do run into the diaper rash, make sure you check out my other video on diaper rashes and the different types and how to treat them. Every caregiver should have in their diaper bag is a little bag of toys and maybe a couple books. And this is my bag right here of what I actually just pulled out of my diaper bag that I have for my baby. He is 15 months old, so this is all the different things that I have for him. I have quite a few books, and I also have quite a few little toys just to kind of keep him occupied if we go out to eat, or we're at someone else's house and they don't have kids or anything age appropriate for him to play with. These little things really can help keep him busy. Now, I do need to supervise him, and I would warn you to make sure you supervise your kid with any toys, but really fun little things to play with and keep them busy. And again, I love books. I'm always going to recommend books to you because they are one of the most valuable things that you can give to your child is books, and the gift of being able to read and write is invaluable. It does amazing things for their development. Reading to your baby every day, talking to your baby every day. Books are just invaluable tool that you can give your child. So I always recommend having some books with you. So I always recommend some books for you to read to baby to have along with you in your diaper bag. Cups, straws, or utensils. So depending on where you're going to want to have these things, and also depending on the stage of development that your child is in really determines what type of cup you're going to be using. So you definitely want to include these items. You can include a reusable straw. That way when you're out, if you don't have a cup by chance, you can just stick that into any other cup for your child. And that's really something that you're going to be doing once your baby's around 6 months and you start introducing things other than formula or breast milk. So that's something you're going to want to have in your diaper bag at that point. as well as maybe an open cup, because open cups are such a good thing to introduce to your baby starting at that 6-month mark. When you start introducing those foods, you can fill that cup, that open cup, with breast milk or formula, and you can be letting baby practice getting an open cup, which actually it uses different muscles in their tongue and mouth, which promote language development later on. So they don't get that same movement with their tongue as they do with an open cup when they're using a bottle or when they're nursing. So just something to keep in mind once your baby is 6 months old, to have an open cup with you. They make really nice bibs now that fold up really easily, that you can just shove in your diaper bag. They're very compact. You're definitely going to want to have a bib, and I have forgotten a bib so many times. And one trick I will say, if you're at someone's home who's a friend or a family member, you can ask for an old t-shirt to throw over your baby's outfit, and that's a great substitute if you don't have a bib. But it just saves you a lot of worry and ruined outfits if you have a bib in your diaper bag. Now, this isn't just for breastfeeding moms. This also can be used by moms who feed their baby formula. The great thing about a nursing cover is it can actually slip over a high chair. So it's a great way to kind of keep your baby safe from some germs. It also, if you have a smaller baby, it can go over the infant car seat as long as you're there to supervise them. It's a great tool for nursing moms. It gives you that extra confidence to maybe be able to nurse in public. So I always recommend having one in your diaper bag. Is hand sanitizer. Of course, you want to wash your hands every time after you change your baby's diaper, but it's also really great to have hand sanitizer when you're on the go. So definitely slip a thing of hand sanitizer in your diaper bag. Water bottle for mom or parent or caregiver, whoever has the diaper bag. You need to have a water bottle for you because you need to stay hydrated. So I definitely recommend having a good reusable water bottle that you can take with you wherever you go and remind yourself to stay hydrated. I hope this video was helpful and informative and helps you plan for what to put in your diaper bag. If you could, like and subscribe before you go, and comment down below if there's anything that you found to be really helpful that you've included in your diaper bag. I'd love to read your comments and see what items you think are essential for a diaper bag. I hope to see you next time.